The Galapagos tortoise, an ancient sentinel of evolution. The Galapagos tortoise, Chelonoidis nigra, stands as a living testament to the intricate processes of evolution, endurance, and ecological balance. This ancient reptile, native to the Galapagos Islands, is not merely a symbol of one of the most iconic evolutionary studies, but also a creature of remarkable longevity and adaptation. In this essay, we will delve into the fascinating aspects of the Galapagos tortoise, exploring its evolutionary history, unique adaptations, ecological role, and the contemporary challenges it faces. Evolutionary history and discovery. The Galapagos tortoise has been an object of scientific intrigue since its discovery by Europeans in the 16th century. The tortoise's evolutionary history is deeply intertwined with the formation of the Galapagos Islands. The archipelago, situated about 1,000 kilometers off the coast of Ecuador in the Pacific Ocean, is relatively young in geological terms, with its oldest islands being around 4 million years old. The tortoises arrived on the islands likely around 2 to 3 million years ago, making them one of the earliest known colonizers of the archipelago. One of the most compelling aspects of the Galapagos tortoise is its role in Charles Darwin's formulation of his theory of natural selection. During his voyage on HMS Beagle in 1835, Darwin observed that tortoises on different islands exhibited distinct physical characteristics, such as variations in shell shape and neck length. These observations were instrumental in shaping Darwin's ideas about adaptation and speciation. The tortoise's evolutionary history, therefore, is not only a testament to its resilience, but also a cornerstone of evolutionary biology. Unique adaptations. Galapagos tortoises are renowned for their impressive size and longevity. They can weigh between 200 and 300 kilograms, and can live up to 177 years, making them one of the longest-lived vertebrates on Earth. This longevity is supported by their slow metabolism, which allows them to survive in the harsh conditions of the islands. Their diet primarily consists of grasses, cacti, and leaves, which they can store in their large, expandable stomachs. The tortoise's shells exhibit remarkable diversity across different islands, reflecting their adaptation to varying ecological niches. For instance, tortoises on some islands have saddle-shaped shells that allow for greater neck extension, enabling them to feed on higher vegetation. In contrast, tortoises from other islands have dome-shaped shells suited for grazing on low-lying vegetation. This variation exemplifies the tortoise's adaptive radiation, a key concept in evolutionary biology, where a single ancestral species evolves into a wide array of forms to exploit different ecological opportunities. Another fascinating adaptation is the tortoise's ability to survive extended periods without water. In times of drought, they can go for several months without drinking, relying on the moisture stored in their bodies. This adaptation is crucial for survival in the arid environments of some of the Galapagos Islands, where freshwater sources are scarce. Ecological role and interactions. Galapagos tortoises play a pivotal role in the ecological balance of the islands. They are considered keystone species, meaning their presence and activities have a disproportionate impact on the ecosystem. Their grazing habits help maintain the health of vegetation by preventing overgrowth and promoting biodiversity. Additionally, their dung serves as a nutrient-rich fertilizer that supports the growth of plants, thus influencing the composition of the plant community. The tortoise's interactions with other species also highlight their importance in the Galapagos ecosystem. For instance, they have a mutualistic relationship with certain plants. Tortoises consume fruits and seeds, and through their excrement, they help disperse these seeds across the islands. This process aids in plant reproduction and distribution, contributing to the island's plant diversity. Furthermore, the tortoise's slow movement and large size make them an important prey item for some native predators. Historically, they were preyed upon by the now extinct giant Galapagos eagle, and their carcasses provided sustenance for various scavengers. Although the eagle is no longer present, the tortoises still interact with other native species such as the Galapagos hawk, which occasionally preys on young tortoises. Conservation challenges and efforts. Despite their resilience and adaptability, Galapagos tortoises face significant threats, primarily due to human activities and introduced species. The arrival of humans in the Galapagos Islands brought new challenges for the tortoises. Early explorers and settlers introduced non-native animals, such as rats, pigs, and goats, which have had devastating effects on the tortoise populations. For example, pigs and goats graze on the same vegetation as tortoises, and can significantly reduce the availability of food. Additionally, rats prey on tortoise eggs, leading to high levels of egg predation and reduced hatching success. Habitat destruction due to human activities, such as agriculture and urban development, also poses a threat to the tortoises. The conversion of land for farming and infrastructure has led to the loss of critical habitat and resources for the tortoises. Climate change further exacerbates these challenges by affecting the availability of water and food sources and altering the island's ecosystems. Conservation efforts have been crucial in addressing these threats and ensuring the survival of the Galapagos tortoise. Initiatives such as the Galapagos National Park, established in 1959, have played a pivotal role in protecting the tortoises and their habitat. The park's efforts include controlling invasive species, restoring degraded habitats, and conducting research to better understand the tortoises' needs and behaviors. One of the most notable conservation success stories is the captive breeding and reintroduction programs. These programs have been instrumental in boosting tortoise populations and restoring them to their natural habitats. For example, the Charles Darwin Research Station has been at the forefront of these efforts, with notable successes such as the breeding and release of the Galapagos tortoise subspecies Chelonoidis nigra duncanensis, which was once considered critically endangered. Cultural and scientific significance. The Galapagos tortoise holds significant cultural and scientific value. In addition to its role in Darwin's theory of evolution, the tortoise has become a symbol of conservation and environmental awareness. Its image is often used to represent the fragility and uniqueness of island ecosystems and the need for their protection. The tortoise's long lifespan and slow metabolism have also sparked scientific curiosity and research into aging and longevity. Studies on the tortoise's genetics, physiology, and adaptation provide insights into the mechanisms of aging and potential applications for human health and longevity. Furthermore, the tortoise has become an iconic species for ecotourism in the Galapagos Islands. Visitors from around the world come to witness these majestic creatures in their natural habitat, contributing to the local economy and raising awareness about the importance of conservation. The tortoise's presence in the islands serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the need to safeguard it for future generations. Conclusion. The Galapagos tortoise, with its ancient lineage and remarkable adaptations, is a living symbol of evolution, resilience, and ecological balance. From its role in shaping our understanding of natural selection to its crucial contributions to the Galapagos ecosystem, the tortoise stands as a testament to the wonders of nature. As we face contemporary challenges such as climate change and habitat loss, the ongoing conservation efforts for the Galapagos tortoise are a reminder of the importance of protecting our planet's unique and irreplaceable species. By understanding and valuing the tortoise's legacy, we can continue to learn from and preserve the intricate web of life that sustains our world.